Alright guys, now we get into the keychain lesson. So this keychain lesson is going to have your name on it, it's going to be awesome, and if you don't have a 3D printer, you can use your 3D printing coupon for 3D hubs if you use coupon code I3D Creatives, just because you're a part of this special group. So thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy your first real 3D print. Enjoy it, guys. All right. Okay, all right. Alrighty then. We're in the space. So what we're going to design now is, what are we going to design? Oh yeah, a keychain with our name on it. So to do this keychain, we're going to click up here on the letters tab. That's going to bring us into every letter in the alphabet. So we can go through it. My name is John. So you spell John, it starts with a J. So we'll put the J in there. And then next we got to find an O, J, K, L, M, N, O. Okay. Get that in there. O. And then once we've got the O, we need the H, which is after the G. H. I, J, K, L, M, N. John. Okay. So I'm going to just align these. So we'll align them so that they're all perfect. Ta-da! Okay. So I'm also going to make them a little bit closer together. Actually, I'm going to go Command Z and do that. And why does it keep doing that on me? Okay, so I'm just going to move these. I got to align them again. I accidentally undid it. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. Okay, so now I just want to move this over, and I should be able to move it over without it going up or down, but it doesn't seem to want to let me do that. Anyways, so you might have these little issues. I'm just going to tighten them up like this. And then we'll align them again. You guys are figuring out how the align tool works through my silliness. So there's John. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come onto the side here, and we're going to say that this is the work plane that we want to draw on, the side of my N. Okay, so then now we're going to insert a round roof to that, and I'm going to make it the same size, the same height as my N. Okay, I think that actually looks pretty good. So if we zoom in, you can see, yeah, it looks pretty good. So now what I'm gonna do is I want to get my workbench back here. Okay. So I'm going to copy and paste that, rotate it 90 degrees, 180 degrees, sorry, brain fart, and I'm going to drag it directly over to this side so it touches my J, just touching it. Okay, and then I'm going to insert a box here. So this box is going to go, we're just going to manipulate the size of this box so that it works pretty much perfectly with the rest of the keychain. So you'll see it's in there a little bit, and I'm okay with that. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Just got to make sure it's connected everywhere so it'll print out properly. And it looks like it is. So then I'm going to copy that one and paste it to the other side. Shouldn't move. Ta-da! Bam! Okay. And I want to make sure that all my letters, I'm just going to make this actually a little bit bigger on both sides, because you need to connect your letters with your top and bottom buttons. So you need to do this or else the letters won't print properly. So you'll see now I have my John keychain, but what I gotta do is I gotta insert a cylinder in here so that I can cut it out. Right? We gotta cut that. And how big is that? So we're gonna make that into a hole, and then we're going to take all of these, group them together. We're not gonna have it be that color because that color just doesn't look very nice. So there we go. You know what? Actually, learning experience here. I don't like that. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna move this N over a little bit so that there's a little gap in there. I want to see a little gap, and so I'm gonna move this and just make that gappy. We want it to have a gap there. So it looks kind of, you know, pronounced. It looks a little better. We can see it, and we did not want to press that button. We wanted to press this button, like that. And then we wanted to go like this and hit the group button. So once we group them, it'll cut that hole out, and I have my John keychain. That's what we got. So that's that lesson. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will catch you in the next one. It's only up, downhill from here. Uphill, downhill, pretty much like trajectory. We can do anything now. So in the next lesson, we're actually gonna step back a little bit, and we're gonna talk about how to place in a cell phone case that already exists, so we don't even have to design it, and then place in a picture. So totally customized. Yes, the keychain lesson. It's custom. It's totally customized. The keychain lesson. Customized.